Welcome to 4-Minute Phonics. In this video, we are going to practice making and taking apart contractions that include the word will, like the contraction she'll. It's important to remember that contractions are a way to quickly combine two words into one. The first word in a contraction usually stays the same, while an apostrophe takes place of missing letters in the second word. Remember, there are no spaces in a contraction. To make will contractions, typically we will keep the first word the same, then we will add apostrophe LL onto the end. Be sure there are no spaces because contractions turn two words into one. Now let's put some words together to make contractions. We'll do a few together and then you'll practice some on your own. Here's the first set of words. We see we will. To make a contraction, we know we typically keep the first word the same. So first we'll use we. Then to replace will, we'll add on LL. So the contraction for we will is will, like will play soccer. Here's the next set of words. We see it will. To make a contraction, we know we keep the first word the same. So first we'll use it. Then to replace will, we need to add on apostrophe LL. So the contraction for it will is it'll. Like it'll be 2 o'clock soon. Great, now it's your turn. What's the contraction for they will? They'll, like they'll peck the ground for food. What's the contraction for he will? He'll, like he'll win the debate. What's the contraction for I will? I'll, like I'll listen to music. What's the contraction for you will? You'll, like you'll win the trophy. Nice work! Now let's take some contractions apart to see what words they come from. We'll do a few together and then you'll practice some on your own. First, we'll separate she'll. If we take apostrophe LL off the end, we can see she must be our first word. We can also see the apostrophe LL following. What does that stand for? Will. The words that make up she'll are she will, like she will do the experiment. Now let's separate I'll. If we take apostrophe LL off, we can see I must be our first word. We see the apostrophe LL following. What does the LL stand for? Will. The words that make up I'll are I will, like I will hum the song. Great, now it's your turn. What are the words that make up they'll? They will, like they will eat the seeds. What are words that make up he'll? He will, like he will be prepared. What are the words that make up it'll? It will, like it will be nap time soon. What are words that make up will? We will, like we will work together. Great job! Thanks for all of your hard work. Keep practicing making and taking apart will contractions.